Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to group projects in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel and we have here the project section. So just click on it. And at the top, we have here the active projects, project templates, and especially the project groups. Okay, as you can see here, I already have one. Now, if you want to create one, just click on the new group button right here at the top right. Click on it and add in the project group name. Okay, let's say, for example, a sample group. Okay, click on create group. There you go. Now just click on it. And if you have available projects that is not within a project group, okay, you can go ahead and select them from here, just like this one. Okay, as you can see. Now let's say we're going to add in a new project. Let's go ahead over to active projects right here. New project. Scratch, like so. And we'll go ahead and scroll down, project group, select the new created group. Okay, we have here sample group. I'm just going to go ahead and add in XYZ right here, just for example. Okay, and add. Now, when we'll go ahead over to the project section under project groups, right here, as you can see, we now have one project in this sample project group. There you go. Also, you go ahead and move the project to a specific group, okay, or project group, just by dragging and dropping, just like so. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.